Hi friends, this is Kalyani. Today we will discuss about the what are the C++ basics, what are the variables and what are the different types of the constants. What are the variables? A variable can be considered as a name given to the location in the memory. The term variable is used to that is referred to the name instead of the explicit value. A variable is able to hold different values during the execution of the program. For example, see here 2x plus 3y equal to 10. Since x and y values are varying during the of the program and the value 10 cannot be changed. So, this 10 is called as a constants. There are some rules for the variables. What are they? The name of the variable is composed of one to several characters. The first of which must be letter. No special characters other than letters, digits, underscore can be used in the variable name. Commas, blanks are not allowed with the variable name. Uppercase letters are same as the lowercase letters, that is capital A is same as the small a. Understood? Now we will discuss about what are the constants and what are the different types of the constants. Constants. Constants in C++ refers to the fixed values that cannot be changed during the. What are the different types of the constants? Numerical constants and character constants. And again, numerical constants are divided into two categories: integer constants and real constants. Integer constants range value is minus 32,768 to 32,767. And what are the integer constants? An integer constant must have at least one digit. It should not contain either decimal point or exponential. If a constant is a positive, it may or may not be preceded by the plus sign. If it is a negative, it must be preceded by the minus sign. See here. Understood? And commas, blanks, non-digit characters are not allowed in the integer constants. And the range value of integer constant is minus 32,768 to 32,767. Now, what are the real constants? Real constants are often called as floating point constants. And there are two ways to represent the real constants, that is decimal form and exponential form. Real constant expressed in the decimal form must have at least one digit and followed by the one decimal point. See here, one digit followed by the one decimal point. Understood? Now we will discuss what are the character constants and what are the types of the character constants and its range value. Character constants are divided into two categories. What are they? Single character constants and string constants. The range value of the character constant is minus 128 to 127. Single character constants are enclosed in a single quotes. See here, this is single character constants and string constants. A string constant is a sequence of characters enclosed in a double quotes. See here, this is enclosed in a double quotes. This is called string constants. A string constant is a sequence of characters enclosed in a double quotes. Have you understood the whole topic? Now I repeat once again the important points. Variables are x and y. The variables are changed its values during the execution of the program, and constant values cannot be changed. The integer constant range value is minus 32,768 to 32,767. Range value of character constant is minus 128 to 127. Have you understood the whole topic? Please like my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.